James from 96.1 in the mornings, and your host for how to solve a Rubik's Cube in 2 minutes or less. And in the last episode, I was talking about how I had a whole bunch of kids at home that each could solve this thing in, well, there's a couple of them there. There's another one over. Oh, where'd she go? There she is down there. Just dropped something. So I told you that they each could solve this Rubik's Cube, at least the top layer of it anyway, this little part up here, in less than a minute. So we've got my son Brady here, and he's ready to go. Hi, Brady. And he's going to try and solve this thing right here in less than a minute. So Brady, let's see what we can do. They're going to learn about the daisy, which is something you're going to be showing them how to do, right, Braden? Okay, so Braden James with the Rubik's Cube top layer solve. When you're ready, go. All right, and as you can see, his timer is going. There he goes. In deep concentration, trying to make the daisy. Got the daisy? Keep going. Okay. Now he's going to try and solve the rest of the layer. And all of this I'm going to show you how to do too. And if my 9-year-old can do this, all right, we're at 40 seconds. No pressure, Brady. So he's using a set of algorithms to put the pieces where he wants them. He's got one more to place, and he's got the entire layer. We're a little over a minute, but that's okay.
You did say less than 2 minutes.
Well, for the whole cube, honey.
Well, he's still a little rusty. Yeah. I can tell you.
And there we go. Tap it, tap it, tap it. In 1 minute and 18 seconds, Braden James solved the top layer of the Rubik's Cube using a method that I'm going to show you next time. So once again, I'm Keith James from 96.1 in the mornings and helping you solve the Rubik's Cube in less than 2 minutes. Hey, Brady?
How to do it.
That's Morgan and that's Abby too.
I forget how to do it.
We'll see you next time.